Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys the collection of charms I've made over the last couple of months. I'll let you know that I haven't been making charms for a really long time. I've started kind of recently, but I love making charms. It's become a really good hobby of mine. So let's get into it. Here's a recent charm I've made for Easter. It's a little baby chick that's hatched out of its egg. Here's another charm I did for Easter. It's a little baby chick peeking out of its egg. Here's an Easter bunny. Two robin eggs, two jellyfish charms, a chubby blue whale, an octopus, here are two Rudolph charms, a candy cane, a snowman, a mint chocolate chip ice cream bowl, which I have a tutorial on this, a barbell weight, a Starbucks Frappuccino, a Christian fish symbol, and my specialty charms are Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, and one that I made last night for my manager at work. That's all the charms I've made so far. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment if you have anything to say. Thank you so much. Bye!